Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Reddit. So Reddit is one of the largest communities on the internet, but if you're new, it can feel a bit overwhelming. Don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, I will guide you through Reddit and show you how to get the best experience while avoiding the trolls. So, what exactly is Reddit? In simple terms, Reddit is a collection of online communities called subreddits, where people can share and discuss topics that interest them. From tech and gaming to cooking and fitness, there's a subreddit for nearly everything. To get started, head over to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in REDDIT and hit enter. After that, you will see the first result that will be www.reddit.com. Click on this link and it is going to take you to this page. Now, you can click on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on login/sign up. And you will see a login option, and if you're new to Reddit, click on the sign up button link at the bottom. Now what you'll have to do is enter an email and click on continue. After that, choose a unique username and a password and follow the prompts. Quick tip: don't use personal information in your username for privacy reasons. Once you're logged in, you will land on Reddit's homepage, which shows popular posts and trending topics. So posts here are organized by upvotes. That is, the users vote on content they like, pushing the most upvoted post to the top. You can also use this search bar to find specific topics or subreddit. In order to search it, just navigate to search Reddit and place your cursor in there and just type in whatever you want to search for and hit enter. Now, you will see all the search results related to your keywords. If you want to navigate to posts, select post here. If you want to see communities related to your keyword, click on communities and all the communities with this text will appear here. Now, you can navigate to comments by clicking on the comment section, and all the comments that will have your keyword will appear just right here. You can see the medias related to your keyword, the people related to your keyword, that is, people with username with the keyword you have entered. Now we'll talk about subreddits. So subreddits are identified by r/ followed by the topic name. For example, this is r/editors. So various topics related to sub-editors will be in this subreddit. For example, r/gaming can be a community for gamers. You can click on any subreddit name above a post to explore that community, or use the search bar to find one that suits you. With over 100,000 subreddits, the possibilities are endless. To create a post, you'll have to click on the plus icon at the top right corner, that is Create Post button. Now, choose the subreddit where you want to post it. That is this option, click on it, and you can also search for community. For example, I'm going to search for gaming, so I'll select r/gaming. Here, you'll have to add a title and fill in the content in this section. After you fill the content, you can include text, images, you can add link, or even do pollings for your post. Always check the subreddit rules before posting to avoid breaking any guidelines. After doing this, click on post and you would have successfully posted on a subreddit. Now tags and flair help categorize posts. Tags are useful for making posts as spoilers or non-safe for work content. And some subreddits allow flair, which is subcategory tag within the community. Use these tools to keep your posts organized and easy to find. Also, Reddit has a karma system that rewards you with points when your posts or comments are upvoted. It's like your reputation is scored on Reddit. You can check your karma by clicking on your avatar and viewing your profile. The more karma you have, the better you're standing in the community. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to explore Reddit. Just remember, while many subreddits are friendly and welcoming, Reddit can sometimes be a bit toxic. Stick to the community guidelines, be respectful, and enjoy the conversation. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.